Hi everyone, my name is Graziana Moschetti. I'm an Italian makeup artist based in Madrid, and this is the behind the scene of a bridal makeup shoot. I always start by cleaning the skin with micellar water even if the client comes with a bare face, as it is important to always start with clean skin. I hydrate the lips with a mask which will be acting during the entire makeup application. Then I apply a moisturizer on the skin, starting with my hands, in order to make sure the product enters deeply into the skin. I also take it in the under eye area, as someone once said, eye creams are face creams, but with a higher price tag. Now with a face brush, I make sure the moisturizer is evenly applied. With the same brush, and as a final preparation step, I apply a glowy mist. I am not spraying it directly on the model's face, as the mist contains oils and I don't want to grease her hair. I always start any eye makeup with a primer, as longevity is key, even if the makeup is only for a short duration of the shooting. The first eyeshadow I use is a matte bone color, and I apply it under the arch of the brow to brighten up this area. Then I use another matte eyeshadow, a little deeper than the model's skin color, and I apply it almost on the entire lid, but particularly in the crease in order to create depth. I make sure to blend all the edges in order to avoid any harsh line. The main eyeshadow I apply on the lid is a bronzy orangey tone. As opposed to the other eyeshadows previously used, this one is metallic and adds an extra light to the look. I love the contrast between the warm eyeshadow and the cool tone of her eyes. With a slightly darker tone, I create depth in the crease. Once I've repeated the steps on the lower lash line, I apply another matte dark brown eyeshadow on both the upper and lower lash line, simulating a soft liner, and blend it out. Now that the eye look is almost done, I start shaping her brows with a cool tone ash brown pencil. As the model's brows are quite plucked towards the ends, I carefully draw the hair with a light hand, avoiding any harsh line. goes like this and I go back to the skin. I sometimes do that when I'm not really sure how far I want to take the eye makeup, and it's easier to take a decision when the skin is also done. The foundation I'm using is luminous and water-based. I never do full coverage, and with this beautiful skin, all I'm looking for is to even out the skin tone. I also take the foundation in the under eye area as if it were a concealer. Again, I don't apply unnecessary product where it's not needed. Once the foundation is evenly spread, I apply a creamy bronzer with a light hand and I take it to the cheek area as I'm not going to apply a blush. I want to keep the look monochromatic. With my fingers, I apply a creamy highlighter on the higher spots of the face, the arch of the brows, the inner eye corner, and of course on the highest part of the cheeks. Now that I'm done applying the cream products, I start to set them. This will add to the longevity of the makeup. I set the cheekbone with a powder bronzer and of course the center of the face with a translucent setting powder. With a smaller brush, I also enforce the cream highlighter with its equivalent in a powder format. Getting back to the eyes, I curl the lashes carefully before I apply mascara with a disposable wand. I give the brows a last comb and fill any sparse areas left. Lastly, I apply a peachy luminous lipstick and set the entire makeup with a setting spray. Make sure to check my website for the final pictures of the shooting and the entire list of products used. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for your time. Ciao!